Compost Stew, an A to Z recipe for the earth by McKenna Siddals, illustrated by Wolff. Environmental chefs, here's a recipe for you to fix from scratch to mix a batch of compost stew. Ingredients: apple cores, bananas bruised, coffee grounds with filters used, dirt clods crumbled, eggshells crushed, fruit pulp left behind, all mushed, grass clippings, hair snippings, and an insect or two. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Save jack-o'-lanterns, kitchen scraps, laundry lint from dryer traps, mulch removed from garden beds, nutshells, oatmeal, paper shreds, barley dust, rye bread crust, and seaweed strands, a few. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Take tea bags plucked from long hot swimmings, underbrush prunings, vegetable trimmings, wiggly worms with compost cravings, Xmas tree needles, yellow pine shavings, and zinnia heads from flower beds whose blooming days are through. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Moisten, toss lightly, cover, let brew. And when the cooking is complete, Mother Earth will have a treat, dark and crumbly, rich and sweet. Now open the pot, and what have you got? Compost stew. The end. Chef's note: out of pumpkins, low on flies, get creative, improvise. You can always substitute any veggie, plant, or fruit, but please recycle these instead. They won't break down, so not a shred of metal, plastic, packing foam, or chemicals found in the home. What's more, no meat or dairy, please. No bones or gravy, fish or cheese, for these will cause an awful smell, attracting animals as well. Earthy? Yes. Meaty? No. Synthetic? Stop. Natural? Go. So spice it up, but be judicious. Keep it wholesome and nutritious. Mother Earth will say, delicious. Compost stew. Stay tuned until the end for the reading comprehension questions.